Hello everyone, welcome back to this 100 days block coding challenge. Okay, so there was a delay and I couldn't post videos because of few official work on Magic Coder, and from this point the videos will be regular even if I couldn't post it on particular day. Either I'll be posting previous or at the later. Okay, so hereafter the 100-day challenge won't get delayed or won't get stopped. Okay, so I'm resuming it from this point. And today I'm just going to tell you we can use the Scratch for teaching also. Okay, so for example we have in a Magic Coder I'm just teaching a Vedic math also. Okay, so there also we are just having a 100-day challenge for Vedic math techniques. Okay, so the first Vedic math technique I have taught is multiply any number by 11, and it has some type 1 and type 2. Okay, so what I did was I have taken the type 1 and I just animated using the Scratch. Okay, so through which I am trying to say is you can use any teachers, if you are watching out this video, you can try and use this kind of Scratch block based coding to teach your kids. Okay, so that will be easy. Like even if you just tell so many even if you give so many explanation to the students, it will be a bit harder to grasp. Okay, if you show them, they will understand easily. So animation helps students to grasp the things very easily and very fastly, I should say. Okay, so for such kind of thing, this 100-day challenge is also going to help teachers out there. Okay, so without any further ado, let me just start this animation and show you what it actually does. Okay, so when I click the flag, you will get this page where you have the backdrop blue color and 81 into 1111. So we have nearly 1 2 3 4 5 sprite as of now. Okay, so after, what you have to do is you have to just type in the space key.
Take 81 and append 0 before 8 and after 1.
So once you type in the once you press the space key from the keyboard, the 81 comes down and 0 will get appended. That is the second step. Okay, that's the first and preliminary step. Okay, and next, okay, so let us take this 8100, the pairs, okay, to up. Okay, so I have done using the up arrow, so I just click the up arrow and it just went up. Okay, and you have to pair these number. For that, what I just do is see here, I just click on A. So A means answer.
Pair the numbers from right to left and write the answer.
So what it says, pair the number from right to left and write the answer. Okay, so my first pair, I'm just pressing on 1.
First pair is 0 and 1, so 0 plus 1 equals 1.
So we have got the first pair.
Second pair is 8 and 1, so 8 plus 1 equals 9.
So second pair we have got.
Third pair is 8 and 0, so 8 plus 0 equals 8.
So third pair also we have got, and the final answer.
Final answer is 891.
Okay, so this is how I made the animation. Okay, so let us have a look. Okay, I'll be showing the code block, sprite by sprite. Okay, so the first sprite. So first sprite is like 11. So let me just click on the flag. So this is the first sprite. So when flag clicked show, so it shows and it go to this position. Okay, when I just click on the up arrow, it just disappears. Okay, and when I just click on the space, what it speaks is take 81 append 0 before 8 and after 1. That is the information it gives when I just click on the space key, and it broadcasts the message, wait 2 seconds and broadcast the second message also. Okay, so just see here, the same thing I have given for this one. Okay, so this one only the space. Okay, so this space bar code can be either placed here, anywhere. Okay, I'm just putting it in the 1. Okay, so and this one is very simple. I'm just clicking the flag and it has to disappear. That is the role I'm just giving for this one. And for this multiplication also, when I just click on the up arrow, it should disappear, and when I just click on the flag, it should appear in this place. So if you give hide, you have to obviously give the show. Okay, and here comes the 81. So this is the one. Okay, so when you just click on the flag, it has to be here, and there, after pressing the space bar, we have broadcasted a message. Okay, so when you receive the message 1, this 1 has to come here. Okay, and see here, and similarly for the 8, same, when I receive the message 1, this 8 also should come here, and the same way flag and up arrow. Okay, so after that you need the zeros. Okay, so 0 should not appear when we start the program. So what I do is, when I click the flag, I just make it hide. Okay, and when I receive the message 2, so did you notice, like we broadcasted 2 message. Okay, one message is this one for making 81 coming down, and other message is to put 0 either side of 81. Okay, so that is done by message 2, and up arrow is to make it to go up. Okay, so similarly for this particular 0 also. Okay, and here what I do is, after reaching up, okay, after up arrow, it just moves up, and what I do is, I just press when A key is pressed. Okay, so did you see here speak? So this is a very simple block from the extension. When you click on the extension, you have this text to speech. So whatever you have that type in as a text, it just convert into the speech. Okay, so pad the numbers from right to left and write the answer. This is what the text I give. So when I just click the A from the keyboard, I just it just spoke the statement. Okay, and after that I just introduce a paddle. Okay, so what this paddle does is, let me just show you. So flag and space
Take
key.
81 and append 0 before 8 and after 1.
So here comes the space and to the second broadcast message, and I press in the up arrow, everything goes off. Okay, now I just introduce a paddle character. Okay,
Pair the numbers from right to left and write the answer.
the last one is, I press the A key, so just told the text we have entered. And now the first pair.
First
Okay.
pair is 0 and 1, so 0 plus 1 equals 1.
So can you see here? So when I click on the 1 from the keyboard, it just shows. Okay, so this paddle shows off, and it just glide to this position first and speak what the dialogue I have entered and broadcast the message 3. So once it broadcasts the message 3, it is received in the 1 and it is just shown. Okay, so usually I make it hide when the flag is clicked. Okay, and similarly for the second pair. Okay, I just click on the second, the paddle
Second
moves.
pair is 8 and 1, so 8 plus 1 equals 9.
So the paddle moves and I broadcast the message 4, and which is received in the 9. Okay, and similarly I just show up the 9, and when the flag clicked, it has to be hide. Okay, and the
Third pair is 8 and 0, so 8 plus 0 equals 8.
so once it is done, it does broadcast the message 5. I just receive the 5 message, broadcast message 5 here. Okay, I show it up, and when the flag click, it has to be high. That I have done. Okay, and final answer, what I do for the final answer is, I just make when F key is pressed from the keyboard.
Final answer is 891.
So this is what I have given as a text, and it just spoke of. Okay, so this is how I made this animation. Okay, I'll just share the link also for this animation. You can just have a look. Okay, so which is this project is a shareable one. I have made it. Okay, just see here, this is already shared. If I just give you the animation, you can just use the code, see the code, and also you can remix the code. Okay, so remixing the code is nothing but you can just make few changes, and you can be the author of the code. Okay, so that you can do. I will leave the link in the description box below, so have a look. And that's all for this particular video. We'll meet you in the next video with more interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.